Xavier. I'm a dance and soft skill trainer from Bhartam International School. Today we're going to talk about what is soft skill and what we are working on. What is soft skill? Soft skill mostly focus and enhances on interpersonal skills of individuals, social skill, people skills, character, interpersonality traits. Talking about this, there is few elements about soft skill. First one is communication skill, and second one is problem solving skill, and third one is leadership skill and adaptability and teamwork, work ethics. So these are the few elements we're going to discuss about today. Communication skill, the first one. Why communication skill is so important? People need to know how to talk to certain people in a certain place, in a certain situation, how to greet people, how to interrupt politely. If you ask that, is it nobody knows this? Everyone knows. Everyone knows how to talk to people. Everyone knows how to interrupt people, how to greet people, how to thank, say sorry, how to converse something. Everybody knows everything. But why in soft skill we focus on communication skill here? How to talk, certain place and people, situations and everything. Why? Because everybody knows how to talk in the regional language, but the language you're going to talk about is a foreign language to everyone. It's a second language. The language is English. So that is while you're talking in some other language which is not your regional language, it's entirely differently. Which is entirely differently. I'm telling you again. While you behave when you talk in a regional language is different. Your whole body language, gestures is almost changed while you talk in a foreign language. Your accent, how you behave, how you move, how you talk, everything changes while you talk in a foreign language because it's not a native language, it's a foreign language. You learned it as a second language. So, people need to know how to greet and interrupt, how to talk, as I told you, different things in English. That's what most important. It's to work in a professional way. And second one, effective communication. What is effective communication? Effective communication is nothing but whatever you say, whatever you have in mind, 100% should come out of your mouth in language and words. And whatever you work on it and finish to finish the idea, to work on it. So the problem is going to be the language. We both are very skillful people, very focused, disciplined people. But if we have a problem in English, we have a problem in language, that's not going to work. Because if you are strong in English, you can convey your idea 100% and you can work on it. Talking about again effective communication. I have an idea and I'll think about it in Hindi because I was born in Delhi, I raised up in Delhi because whatever I think, I used to think in Hindi and I have to process it whole thing in English and have to deliver it in English. And he need to listen it, understand it. And where this effective communication lies on, whatever I have in mind, it's directly goes in his mind. Is it the same thing which I thought in my mind, which is the same thing which goes in his mind? That's what effective communication. For an example, some people think about an idea which is like 100% very good while they talk and translate in English. While they talk, 50% comes out, and the listener listens and they understand it 30%. Is it effective? No, it's not. So that's what we working on, communication skill. And second one, problem solving skill. Each and every day life, people face a lot of problems. Every individuals in the world face like different problems in our daily basis life. How they come up with a solution, how they face it, and each and every daily life, what the students gonna face. It could be in a homework, lot of homeworks, lot of tests, lot of mental stress. How they gonna come up a solution with that for that, and how they gonna work on it. So problem solving skill and teamwork. A student's gonna be in a place where the another 30 or 36, 30 to 50 students gonna be in a class. How to behave with them, how to bond, a relationship with other students, how to work in a team, how to lead a class, how to lead a friend, even how to lead a group. They're gonna learn that. And adaptability, how to adapt to different situations, to different people. So some people, they don't like some teachers, they hate certain subject, but they have to be in class. How to get adapt to that, how to change them, how to adapt to certain places, certain time, and to certain people. And pretty much we talked about a few things, I guess. So we'll discuss